Hi Sophy-Yas, welcome to the Madame Sophie channel, your sophisticated lifestyle, beauty and wellness channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Juvia Space Warrior eyeshadow palette, and this is the palette right there. I am basically priming my eyes, and the primer I'm using today is from Colourpop Cosmetics. It's basically a concealer I'm using to prime my eyes for today's eyeshadow look. So now I'm going to jump into the eyeshadow palette. I'm using the color Cano from the Juvia Space Warrior palette, and I'm basically going to blend that color out just above the crease area of my eyelid. And the brush I'm using to do that is basically a blending brush. I love Ecotools eyeshadow brushes, so the brush I'm using in this part of the video is actually from Ecotools. I am now jumping in the color called Mino from the palette. It is basically the darkest color in the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using that color more on the outer part of my eyelid area. I'm going for a smoky look, so I would like to work on that part of the eyeshadow look for now before I go in with the other colors. And the dark shade in the color, it's pigmented. It has some pigments to it, but it's not as pigmented as you would find in high quality or very expensive or more expensive eyeshadow palette. This is the color Ahosi. I am going in with that color. This is basically the lightest matte color you would find in this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using that color more in the inward part of my eyelid area. Since I'm not going for a shimmery look today, I'm going for something that's more matte and toned down. I decided to use this shade in the color Moremi. Moremi is the shade I'm using in my waterline area of the eyeshadow look, and I'm using a tiny eyeshadow brush from Ecotools Cosmetics to do that. The brushes I'm using in this look is I purchased them a while back at Ulta Beauty, and I bought it in a set. I did not buy these brushes in singles. I bought them in a set. It came with its own brush holder and the other accessories you would usually get. I am now back in the dark color. And I'm using another brush which is basically the same size as the other brush I previously used, and I'm going to smoke out that color. Now I am about to apply some liquid eyeliner. Today I'm using the Sophy-Yas matte eyeliner, liquid eyeliner from Essence Cosmetics. This is my go-to liquid eyeliner, very affordable. It's gonna cost you less than $5. I bought it at Ulta Beauty. And you gotta take your time. I'm taking my time to do this part because I really don't want to mess up my eyeshadow look with that liquid eyeliner. So just taking my time. do this step, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade in the color soft brown. I'm using an eyebrow brush to do that as well. And the brush I'm using to do this step is a brush I bought at the Dollar Tree. I think it's one of those Wet n Wild brushes you'd usually get at your Dollar Tree. Only $1 and it works just fine. I am now using an eyebrow gel to get a nice toned down wet look on my eyebrow area. I want my eyebrows to look as natural as possible, so I went in with an eyebrow gel to do this part. My lipstick, liquid lipstick, today I'm using the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint. I will have the name of the shade I'm using somewhere in the video. I can't remember. There you have it. This is the finished look. I went on and I applied my leopard print earrings as well, leopard print head wrap, and it looks amazing. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.